You can just see here, same way I have found the value of y over here. Now y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So finally we got the value of x as well as y. Therefore, coordinates of x comma y are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the derivation of what we call the distance section formula. But sometimes there's a case, exceptional case, only one case. You have to just keep in mind. That will help us a lot to do the exercise. That is, so far, R divides P, join of PQ in the ratio of M1 is to M2. So we have just done that. We have found the coordinates of X and Y, which we were supposed to find out. But suppose R is the midpoint of PQ, suppose. Then what will be PR ratio? M1 is to M2. Yeah? Yes, you're right. It will be 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. In that case, section formula gets reduced. Are you getting me? Section formula becomes very simple and reduced. In case, I will be writing here, if R x comma y happen to be the midpoint of PQ. Therefore, in that case, section formula is reduced. Then x is equivalent to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Like this, x comma y, its coordinates are x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the end of your section formula. Inshallah, in next lecture we will be starting the exercise. This is a very important formula. This is a very important derivation. If you just find any sort of confusion over there, simply call me. Simply call me any day from 11 to 12:30. 11 to 12:30 in the morning hours, 12:30 up to 12:30 in the afternoon. You can just call me. Okay? This is time I have meant for you people. I can help you anywhere, wherever you need. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.